Hi, Steve McGaughey, McGaughys Suspension. We're here at the 2024 SEMA show. I wanted to show you this brand new 2024 F350 that a friend of ours, Jeff, built. He brought this all the way from the East Coast to debut it here at the SEMA show. It's sitting on a brand new 8-inch 4-link kit with our center frame cradle and floating traction bar. This kit's an SS kit with stainless steel inserts and blackened milled faceplates. He decided to take all the stainless parts and powder coat them a bright red to give it like a drop shadow. Let me come in here and show you some of these pieces. On the 4-link bars themselves, we utilize the scaling feature, so we make a bracket that comes in the kit. So if you have scaling on your truck, there's no need to buy any extra parts. It comes with everything you need. These bars are all formed, boxed, welded. Then we do a stainless steel accent. That's the red piece that normally comes as a polished stainless steel. He decided to do it in red. And then it has a blackened milled faceplate over the top. So the 4-link kit would be the 4-link drop down, which utilizes all the same design, bolts to the frame, holds the 4-link bars. The 4-link design allows the axle to travel up and down without changing any of the geometry of the steering, or sometimes you see a lot of these trucks where they'll get like a coil bind. It keeps that stuff nice and straight. Talking about the coil, we developed a 2-stage dual coil rate specifically for this truck. So you have a primary and a secondary coil rate. So your primary rate is much softer, allowing for that plush ride, but you still have the secondary to haul the extra weight. The shock that's on this vehicle is our M84 line of shocks that we build in-house specifically for this application. The shock is designed, valved for this spring rate on this truck. It comes with everything that you need, obviously, to do the kit. This kit, because it is 8 inches, we provide you a new braided brake line, so you don't have to extend the brackets. It comes with a sway bar drop, track bar bracket, pitman arm, all the necessary stuff to do it. One of the upgrades on this kit is the center frame cradle. Let me show you that. We decided to build a center frame cradle that ties the front and back together. So it mounts off the front of the 4-link bracket, but it attaches and makes its way all the way to the back with the same design. SS inserts, billet faceplates. It comes all the way to the back to our floating traction bar, which also has the same design as an SS insert with billet faceplates that attach to the axle. So when you look at it from the outside, everything is tied together. It adds some color from front to back. It just becomes a really clean setup. We're real happy with how this thing has turned out. Just wanted to show you guys the build. Thankful that Jeff was able to bring it out. Also, it is on a set of KG1s, 2414s. Didn't want to forget those guys. Thankful that they help us out. It's on a set of Fury 38-inch tires. They're all powder coated in a gloss black. It's got floating caps on it. So all in all, just a really clean build. Nice truck. Thank you guys for checking it out.